First of all, welcome to the course. I'm glad you decided to join both Ryan Collins and I on this journey to learn how to create compelling videos in After Effects. First of all, feel free to join the exclusive student Facebook group. Just type in Learn Video for Social Media and Go Freelance in the Facebook search bar and click over to Groups. Click the Join Now button and answer the questions. You can post your student projects in the Facebook group, or if you don't have Facebook, you can post them in the Q&A community sections of this course. And we look forward to seeing your amazing projects posted. Next, downloadable resources. You can find all of the resources you'll need for the course in this lesson as a downloadable zip file. This course is broken down into 3 main sections. The first section is taught by me, Lindsay Marsh, and I'll guide you through some video theory. The second section will be taught by Ryan Collins, and he'll go over the basic functions of Adobe After Effects, teaching you from scratch. The third section of this course consists of several hands-on projects you will work through with Ryan. Lastly, there'll be additional extra content and sections added to this course as time goes on. We hope to make this course dynamic with fresh, updated content. So I'll see you in the first lesson.